American Cocktail Club, are you ready for this month's deliciousness? It's called A Chill in the Air, and it tastes like fall in a glass. So you can expect a little bit of gin in this month's box, some mulling syrup, as well as Owen's sparkling cranberry juice. Finally, we have some dehydrated pear for garnish, and now we've got all of our ingredients. It's time to go. Let's take 1.75 ounces of our gin, pour it in our shaker with fresh ice. We're also going to use 1 ounce of that amazing mulling syrup. And then give it a shake. This is the fun part. Shake, shake, shake. Let's double strain that into our Collins glass filled with some fresh ice. And then top it off with a little bit of that Owen's sparkling cranberry. It's somewhere around 2 ounces. If you want to measure it, go ahead, or you can just fill your glass up. The stuff is delicious. Let's give it a little stir to mix everything in beautifully so it tastes right from that first sip. Finally, we can garnish this with one of those beautiful dehydrated pears, and voila. Here's a little something extra credit. Add some lime juice, try 0.5 ounces. American Cocktail Club, cheers.